As evening descends on the Mecca of ammunition, the uncertainty over those who have died. Among the 16 killed at India's largest ammunition depot in Pulgaon in Maharashtra, 13 were firemen.
अपने यहाँ के लोकल फायरमैन के जो लोग हैं फायर ब्रिगेड के जो सर्विस करने वाले वो लोग भी कुछ जिनकी डेथ हो गई और कुछ डीएस हो गए हैं। जो अंदर जो मिलिट्री जवान रिटायर्ड होके आते हैं उस बाद में जो सर्विस करके जो ओल्ड एज की वो भी उनके साथ में जो कुछ पहचान नहीं हुई है ऐसे लोगों का कहना है।
At Agargaon village, which was evacuated by the administration, villagers still shaken, most outside their homes late into the night.
थोड़ा डर है ना, फूटने के बाद वो फूटेगा ऐसा करके डर है हमको, इसलिए हम बाहर ही रहते हैं।
It seemed it was an earthquake. That's how many villagers described the explosion which took place at the Pulgaon ammunition depot. But let's take a look at what damage it's really caused. In this village, in this house, this entire beam fell off. Villagers say the entire house was shaking and therefore the beam which was attached right here, it broke off from there, and evidence of some parts of the beam found right there. And then because of that, on the other side, we go into this room, one can really see that other parts of the house also have damage. Many walls have cracked, but you can see here, it's uprooted one portion of the entire wall, the plaster, the cement, all coming off.
काल घर झोपताना रातच्यानं जसे ते डोकं पेटला, घर पुरं दणाणलं, बल्ल्या बल्ल्या पडल्या, पुरं क्रॅक झालं.
At the village temple, the situation no different. This is the story here at the village hall. The explosions were so powerful that all these window frames were simply blown off. You can see all the glass completely shattered. The window frames have been bent by the explosion which took place, and these window frames were on the walls right there. Now, if this is the impact in a village which is about 5 to 6 kilometers away from the blast site, one can well imagine the destruction and the impact right inside the ammunition depot. What seems to have come in handy, mock drills practiced diligently.
ज़्यादा हाई लेवल के एक्सपोजर यहाँ पर रखे हुए हैं और सभी को मालूमात दी गई है और ऐसे हर आदमी को जानकारी है, उस वजह से सभी आदमी सतर्क रहते हैं। और जो हादसा हुआ उस समय में बहुत ज़्यादा लेवल पर क्यूआरटी, डीएसटी वाले, फायरमैन और ऑफिसर्स थे। वहाँ पर लेबर कोई नहीं था क्योंकि रात का वक्त था। अगर दिन का वक्त होता तो लेबर रहते थे।
With camera person Sanjay Mandal in Pulgaon, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.